Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a flicker effect on your videos in the CapCut mobile. So if you use CapCut for a long time, you'll probably knew if you want to create a flicker, there was a trick where you need to add a white or black overlay to create a flicker effect. But now on the CapCut new updates, you can easily add a flicker effect by using the video effects. So here, if you want to add the flickers, you can use this. You can watch the steps here. So go to effects and click on the video effects. So the flicker effect can be easily found under the nightclub category. So you can just click on nightclub here, then just find the flicker in here. So there are also other flicker effect that you can use. For example, this split flicker, and there is also just a flicker, basic flicker effect. So let's try to find it. Just scroll down until you find flicker. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this one's right here. So click on the flicker effect, and in here you can adjust it. You can adjust the speed as you like. So for example, I'm going to go with 70, and just click on the check icon, and don't forget to adjust the length of the flicker as you like. So that's how you can add flicker effects in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.